we are in New Haven, Connecticut. Going to get a video today of an Amtrak Acela train 2152 en route to Boston, Massachusetts. It's now arriving. This train operates from Washington, D.C. to Boston. It's going to make a stop here in New Haven. And it's operated by Locomotive Engineer Alex Johnson. When it gets off, we'll see if we can have a quick word with him. And there he is. Good morning. Just getting
is this like final dying gasp of the old Acela's documentary?
Yeah, this is the legacy Acela, soon to be replaced by the next generation Acela. So we got
We
you.
all have high hopes for.
Yeah.
Very high hopes. Now it's time for round two, the NHB line.
All right.
Fingers crossed.
Have a good trip. Closing up the doors. Here we go, departing for Boston, Massachusetts.